Welcome to 420RX Cannabis Cooking and Confectionaries. Here's Jamie.
Hi y'all. Today we're going to make THC CBD infused whipped mango body butter. 1 ounce of mango butter, 1/2 ounce of coconut oil, 1/2 ounce of almond oil, a THC CBD product, and an essential oil, which is optional. Using a double boiler, melt the mango butter and coconut oil until liquefied. Once liquefied, add in sweet almond oil, THC, and CBD products. I'm adding in 100 milligrams of a THC and CBD concentrate individually. I will allow this to cool a bit before I whip it with the immersion blender. Once whipped to a proper consistency into a glass container, it will go. I did one last re-whip in the container. I have 2 ounces of THC CBD mango butter, 200 milligrams. A very silky, non-oily feel. Lastly, you'll want to label it appropriately and store in a cool, dry place. Enjoy!
Be sure to subscribe to this channel for updates and notifications whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.